RV! It's RV time!
Construction. Creativity.
I got it.
Explosions. All of this and more on Fixing This Mother Effer.
If your water heater won't ignite on propane, this might be why. This is the spark and sensor electrode for my Atwood 6GA-8E RV water heater tank. Its job is to create a spark to light the burner and then detect the flame to make sure it stays running safely. If this goes bad, you'll either get no ignition or it won't stay lit. In the next few videos, I'll show you how to actually replace it. If your RV won't stay lit on propane, this might be why. This is the gas control valve. And this is the main burner. For my Atwood 6GA-8E, the gas valve controls the flow of propane into the system, and the burner is what actually creates the flame to heat the water. If either one of these goes bad, you'll either get no flame or it won't stay lit. In the next video, I'll show you how to replace it. And this is the brain of the entire system. If your water heater isn't doing anything, this might be the problem. This is the circuit board for my Atwood 6GA-8E RV water heater tank. This is basically the brain of the entire system. It sends power to the igniter, controls the gas valve, and manages the ignition process. If this goes bad, you'll get no spark, no ignition, nothing. In the next video, I will show you how to replace it. If your RV water heater isn't doing anything, what I'm about to show you might fix it. So, this is the circuit board, if you can see it. I know it's bright out, maybe. There you go. This is the circuit board for my Atwood 6GA-8E. It's basically the brain of the system. And I am going to replace it, so first what you would do is turn off the, make sure power and propane are off, which looks like I'm good on that. And there's usually just a couple of screws holding it in. Yeah, right there, and then right there. So I'm going to first unplug this. Next, I'm going to unplug the damn igniter down there. When you're doing this, don't force anything. It should just all slide off. There we go. Pretty easy. Right, now I'll figure out what size screws those are. Stand by. Alright, this is going to be a little awkward because I'm having to film this with one hand while working the other. So this is a 7. I think I got it. Okay, yeah, that's loose. Now for the bottom. Sorry for the terrible quality, but much loose enough. Yeah, well, you guys get the picture. 7 metric. I got it out. It was pretty simple. It's just 2 screws. Again, 7. So this is the old, and this is the new. I'm gonna put this one back in. Alright, so I just went ahead and got it started. But I mean, pretty simple, just put back in, you know, screw it down. Alright, these are both tight. And just plug this back in. Alright, then I'm not going to be putting the igniter back in because I'm replacing that, but that'll be a short for next time. Yeah, so I'm kind of silly. The circuit board came in with this piece. As you can see, it more resembles what that is on the old circuit breaker. So that's the new, that's the old. So I forgot to plug that on. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, it goes on there like so. I know that's hard to see. Sorry, this is. And then this piece just slides on there. I think it'll be like this. Yeah, like so. That's on there way better now. Yeah. So, that's my bad. TTFN, ta-ta for now. So, if your water heater won't stay lit, this might be the fix. This is the gas valve, and that's the main burner assembly. I'm going to be replacing this, and this is for the Atwood 6GA-8E. Before you do this, make sure the propane and power is off. I don't have that problem. So first I'm gonna, well, I've already disconnected the propane line, but I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this right here to put on the damn new one. Take out that screw, unplug this. Well, I can just go ahead and do that. Well, I'll do that soon when I have both hands. Then gonna have to disconnect this, the main burner, and take out a screw so I can get everything out. So I'll show you guys what that looks like here soon. Now it went to this red right here. Alright, so the old one is out. All I really had to do was just take out that one screw right there and unplug this. Next, I've got to take this out and then this out so I can attach it to the new one, which I'll show you in the next little panel. Alright, managed to get them out. You're going to need some form of clamp because it was fucking tough, man. Next, I'll be taking out the main burner. Well, I guess also as well as the igniter because I'm replacing that too. But to get that out, I just need to remove that nut right there. So it just all came out in one piece. Yep, 1 second, I'll figure this out. Okay, so took it off. What I'm gonna have to do now is go to the new main burner, undo these nuts, and then it's a little hard to tell, but this piece right here, that circular bit, is nutted down onto this piece, so it looks like I can just get rid of this curved piece right here and keep this piece, but just bolt that piece onto the bottom of this right here. And for reference, old burner, new burner, old igniter, new igniter. Okay, so yeah, attach that piece to the main, I'll call it railing, right here. In the main burner, I left a little bit of wiggle room, just to have some wiggle room. So it is attached, and then I went ahead and attached the damn igniter. It's just a little attachment point right there. So yeah, now I am going to put those pieces on this new one. Alright, this is the new one. Now I've got to put these on. Before I do that, I can't remember what this is called again, but I got to put it on there. Alright, got those two pieces back on. Now it's time to put it back on the water heater. So now that's all back in, I'm just going to tighten these screws up right here. And then once I'm done, plug this and this back in its place, and it'll be done. Alright, this is all tight, so I just plug everything back in. Alright. Well, you know what, I won't record this part, I'll just, yeah. Alright, it is all plugged back in, and I've replaced all the parts I needed to. So, time to put this thing back in its place and test it out. See you guys next time. TTFN, ta-ta for now. Yo, got some merch out now. Check it out if you guys want. Links in description.